funding for the district. I completed my ordinary level this year and I'm planning to join my advanced level next year. I have acquired very many things. I have acquired tips of communication, and it has given me confidence and courage and other things to make me become a good speaker and a good listener.
Okay, call me Abon Sandra, a student from the Vice Secondary School. I've come here to present our community initiative. And we are focusing mainly on the major problem being faced in our school or around our school. And that is early teenage, it's early pregnancy or teenage pregnancy.
In future, I want to be a politician, and this program has given me encouragement and many skills, and it has made me to set my goal so that it can be achievable.
Call upon my fellow girls so that you give us the support we need, so that you stand up with us and our mentors and the leaders, so that we can see that early pregnancy is being out of sight in our school.
We are now already empowered and firm to stand outside and say we are the future generations, and we shall make sure that other girls are also empowered. Thanks.